Tired of dragging hoses and cords just to sink a few nails? In today's video, we're breaking down the best cordless nail guns that deliver power, precision, and total freedom for DIYers and pros alike. Whether you're tackling trim work, framing, or quick home repairs, these top picks get the job done fast and clean. Check out the links to all the nail guns we mention in the description below. Let's jump in. Freedom from hoses and compressors transforms how trim and finish work gets done, especially in tight or remote spaces. The Metabo HPT 18-volt cordless brad nailer kit delivers dependable performance using a mechanical spring drive system that eliminates gas cartridges while maintaining consistent driving power. It drives 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inch up to 2 inches, making it suitable for molding, cabinetry, and detailed finish work. Powered by an included 2.0 amp-hour 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it can fire up to 700 nails per charge, reducing downtime. The low center height and balanced design help it fit into confined areas, while the integrated LED light improves visibility. Tool-free depth adjustment allows precise countersinking across different materials. Built with durable components and a solid housing, it's designed for both DIYers and professionals. Customers praise its strong driving power, excellent battery life, and ease of use, noting that it handles 1-inch to 2-inch nails reliably. While opinions vary on weight, most users consider it a high-quality, time-saving cordless solution. Cordless convenience paired with impressive driving strength makes trim installation far less demanding. The Worx cordless brad nailer uses advanced air impact technology to drive 18-gauge brad nails up to 2 1/8 inches into hardwood without compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. It runs on the PowerShare battery platform, allowing the same 20-volt batteries to power 20-volt, 40-volt, and even 80-volt Worx tools. Designed with a lightweight frame and ergonomic balance, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Dual firing modes offer flexibility, with contact actuation for speed and single-shot mode for precision. A narrow nose improves accuracy, while the triple LED light illuminates dark corners and tight spaces. The tool feels solid and well-built in hand, reflecting its durable construction. Customers report smooth operation, reliable performance for shoe molding and trim work, and strong driving power. While some users mention it feels slightly heavy, most agree the quality results, included battery system compatibility, and overall value make it a dependable addition to any cordless tool collection. Versatility and value combine in a tool designed for everyday household and workshop projects. The Bielmeier 20-volt cordless nail gun features upgraded impact drive technology, allowing it to fire both 18-gauge brad nails and 18-gauge crown staples with reliable control. It supports brad nails from 5/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch and staples from 5/8 inch to 1 inch, making it suitable for furniture assembly, light trim, and DIY repairs. Powered by a 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour battery, it can drive up to 1,800 fasteners per charge, offering impressive runtime for its size. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip rubber grip, integrated LED light, and a transparent magazine window to monitor fastener levels. Adjustable depth control with 6 settings allows fine-tuning for different materials. Built with safety in mind, it fires only when the striker is fully depressed. Customers appreciate its lightweight feel, quick charging battery, and strong performance, often highlighting its excellent value and ease of control for varied projects. Professional-grade performance without the limitations of air hoses gives users complete job site freedom. The Dewalt CN680B 20-volt cordless brad nailer is powered entirely by a brushless motor and 20-volt max battery system, delivering consistent driving power for 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 1/8 inch. A micro nose design improves line-of-sight accuracy, while tool-free depth adjustment ensures clean, precise countersinking. Multiple integrated LED lights illuminate the work area and provide diagnostic feedback. Built for durability, it features tool-free jam release, selectable trigger modes, and a stall release lever to quickly reset the driver blade. The steel construction feels solid yet balanced, making it suitable for extended trim and molding tasks. Users frequently praise its strong power, all-day battery life, and reliability on demanding jobs like crown molding. While weight opinions vary, most customers agree the performance rivals pneumatic nailers. Overall, it's viewed as a premium cordless solution that saves time and boosts productivity for both professionals and serious DIYers. Consistent firing power and cordless simplicity make finishing tasks smoother and more efficient. The Craftsman VI-20 cordless brad nailer is designed to eliminate compressors and gas cartridges while delivering reliable performance across different materials and weather conditions. It drives up to 420 nails per charge, making it ideal for trim, baseboards, and light carpentry. The powerful motor ensures steady nail depth, while the tool-free depth adjustment allows quick changes on the job. Built with a balanced center of gravity and contoured over-molded handle, it offers comfort and control during extended use. A belt hook adds convenience for mobility, and tool-free jam and stall settings simplify maintenance. The durable housing reflects Craftsman's focus on long-term reliability. Customers report dependable operation with minimal jamming and appreciate how easy it is to adjust and use. While some find it slightly heavier than expected, most consider the weight manageable. Overall, users see it as an excellent value that delivers solid performance for both home improvement and light professional work. All-in-one convenience and generous accessories make this tool appealing right out of the box. The Linknal electric cordless nail gun operates entirely on battery power, removing the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. It can drive up to 1,318-gauge brad nails per charge and includes two 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour batteries for extended runtime. Supporting both sequential and contact firing modes, it adapts easily to precision tasks or faster production work. Adjustable depth control ensures clean results across softwood and denser materials. Safety features include a contact trip system, dry fire lockout, and integrated LED light for low light accuracy. Built with a solid frame and user-friendly controls, it also includes a belt hook and maintenance-friendly design. Customers appreciate the complete bundle, clear instructions, and included 1,000 nails. Many highlight its strong performance, ease of use, and excellent value for money. Despite being heavier than some competitors, users find it dependable and well-suited for DIY and home renovation projects. Reliable cordless performance brings professional results to home and job site projects alike. The Porter Cable 20-volt cordless brad nailer uses a high-output motor to deliver consistent firing power across a wide range of materials and environmental conditions. Designed to fire 18-gauge brad nails, it removes the hassle of compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges. The lightweight structure and balanced center of gravity improve comfort, allowing operation in multiple positions with less fatigue. Tool-free settings increase productivity, while dual LED work lights brighten dim spaces and provide error indication. The durable build reflects its professional-grade design, making it suitable for repeated use. Customers frequently praise its smooth operation, strong battery life, often lasting 700 to 900 nails per charge, and overall ease of use compared to pneumatic nailers. While some users report occasional jamming, others experience trouble-free performance. Opinions on weight are mixed, but most agree it delivers excellent value and dependable results for trim work, small renovations, and general finishing tasks. That's it for our roundup of the best cordless nail guns. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let us know your favorite pick in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.